Cancer, this is Aira. If you are here, money is not just money for you. It is safety. It is emotional security. It is knowing your home is protected and your people are okay. When finances feel uncertain, your heart feels unsettled. When money feels stable, your whole body relaxes. The first card is Queen of Pentacles. This is nurturing wealth energy. Cancer, you are naturally protective with money. You think about comfort, stability, and long-term safety. This card shows you want your home environment to feel secure. Right now, you may be focusing on practical matters, budgeting more carefully, thinking about savings, possibly worrying about expenses connected to family or home. The Queen of Pentacles also shows you giving a lot. You may spend on others before yourself, helping family, supporting loved ones. That generosity is beautiful, but it can quietly drain you. Within the next 3 months, you step into stronger financial maturity. You become more balanced, less emotional spending, more structured saving. Stability increases slowly but clearly. The second card is Moon. This is emotional confusion around money. Fear of the unknown. Worry about what might happen. You may not have clear information about something financial, and that uncertainty creates anxiety. This card can also show hidden expenses or unclear communication about money. Something may not be fully transparent yet. Cancer energy feels deeply, so even small uncertainty can feel big. You may imagine worst-case scenarios when there is no solid evidence. Within the next month, clarity comes. Something that felt confusing becomes clearer. Trust your intuition, but verify facts. Do not let fear control decisions. The third card is Four of Cups. This shows emotional dissatisfaction. You may feel bored or unfulfilled financially. Maybe income is stable, but not exciting. Maybe you expected more progress by now. This card also shows missed opportunity energy. Sometimes when you focus on what is lacking, you don't see what is being offered. Cancer can get stuck in emotional reflection, thinking about what could have been, comparing past situations. In the next few weeks, a small opportunity may appear. It might not look impressive at first, but if you stay open instead of withdrawn, it can grow into something useful. The fourth card is Ace of Pentacles. This is your solid new beginning, a real grounded opportunity. Job offer, raise, new client, side income, investment. This ace is not dramatic. It is steady. It builds over time. It brings security if you nurture it. Within 1 to 2 months, this new financial door becomes visible. It may connect to home, property, or something practical. The fifth card is Ten of Wands. This is heavy responsibility. You are carrying too much financially. Maybe not just bills, emotional weight, family pressure, silent expectations. You feel like if you drop something, everything will collapse. This card shows exhaustion, working hard but still feeling behind, trying to hold everything together. Cancer, you often don't complain. You just carry it. But here is the truth. Some of this weight is not yours alone. You may be over-responsible, saying yes when you should delegate, paying for things you should not fully carry. Within the next 6 weeks, there will be a moment where you must set a boundary, either reduce an expense, stop supporting something, or ask for shared responsibility. When you release one burden, your energy improves quickly. The sixth card is Two of Pentacles. This is juggling energy, managing income and expenses carefully, moving money from one area to another, trying to maintain balance. This card shows adaptability. You are not irresponsible. You are trying to stay afloat smartly. But constant juggling creates stress. There may be inconsistent income or variable expenses right now. You may feel like money comes and goes quickly. Within the next 2 months, balance improves. Either income becomes more stable or you manage your flow better. But you must track clearly. Awareness reduces anxiety. The seventh card is Knight of Pentacles. This is slow, steady progress. Not exciting, not dramatic, but reliable. This is the energy that builds real security. You may feel impatient, you may want faster growth, but this card says stability is forming even if you cannot see big leaps. The Knight of Pentacles also shows disciplined habit, regular saving, controlled spending, showing up daily to your work even when emotions fluctuate. Within 3 to 4 months, you see the result of steady effort. Something becomes more secure. A job stabilizes. A savings goal improves. Progress becomes visible. The eighth card is Ten of Pentacles. This is long-term financial security, home stability, generational mindset. Cancer, this is beautiful energy for you. This is what your heart wants. This card says your current effort is not wasted. Even if it feels slow, it is building foundation. You are creating something that lasts. There may also be support from family or shared financial stability improving. This is not isolated survival. This is collective strength. Within 6 months, you see clear structural improvement. You feel safer, more grounded, more confident about the future. Overall message for you. You are carrying too much alone. Fear has been louder than facts, but stability is building slowly. When you reduce emotional weight and manage balance practically, security increases. Affirmation for you. I release financial burden that is not mine. I create balance calmly. I allow steady growth in my life. My home and future are protected. Security is building step by step. If you want clarity about your personal financial situation, job path, home decisions, shared money, or next move, my detailed readings start at $9. If you want ongoing support while you rebuild stability, the $99 monthly option gives you unlimited questions for 30 days. Cancer, your money story is not collapse. It is construction, and you are stronger than you think.